Hi Stephen, welcome to Sweden. We're going to have a short chat here about NATO. So can you give us, how do you see NATO evolving, given what's happening now?
A lot is happening. I think NATO is shifting from a question, why does NATO exist, towards how can NATO be more effective and more efficient. And that's a major shift in the alliance. I think it's about how to deal with the geopolitical threats that we're facing nowadays, and how can NATO combine in the alliance the different member states, making sure that 1 and 1 is more than 2.
And as a NATO member, Sweden, what can we do to establish this and be part of the alliance?
Well, I think at first, like, a new member state should actually learn and should actually leverage what other new member states did. I think Sweden is a credible country, for sure. That's also the reason why they actually were allowed to enter. So I think that's the first step. And now it's about making sure that you can make the step as a country, as Sweden, in terms of optimizing, helping the efficiency and the effectiveness, and for sure making sure that industry comes closer to, I would say, NATO, towards the military activities. I think that's where the solution lies.
And do you have any specific opportunities for the Swedish the industry, defense industry, and what should they do to tap into that market?
I think they should, if they have solutions that are relevant, they should make noise. That actually NATO is aware of that, pretty sure of that. Next to that, I think the most important things that are happening today are information intelligence sharing. I think that's an important topic. I think everything that has to do with interoperability, very important. Everything that has to do with cyber threats or cyber defense, very important. And I think the location of Sweden as part of the Scandinavian region, in terms of the link with the Baltic Sea, the Arctic, I think Sweden is very well positioned to take a step there.
And the international collaboration in this, how important is that? And what does Sweden need to do?
Well, I think it's important in the alliance like NATO. It's a bit like with us at PwC. It's like working together with different firms to actually bring the best of PwC forward. I think for NATO it's actually the same. It's like combining the strengths, capabilities, experiences of the different member states together to actually create efficiency and effectiveness and to be a stronger power in the geopolitical landscape of today.